time travel and parallel universes, two concepts that have intrigued the human mind for ages. Intricately intertwined, understanding one can lead to a better understanding of the other. Welcome to an exploration of these mesmerizing possibilities. What if time was not just a series of events, but rather a boundless, infinite ocean, where every moment, past, present, and future coexist simultaneously? Time travel, a concept that has held humanity spellbound since the dawn of time, suggests we could sail through this ocean, diving deep into its depths and charting its every corner as per our will. However, this grand adventure of time travel does not end here. It extends beyond into the realm of parallel universes or multiverses. These are not just alternate timelines, but entirely different realities with their unique pasts and futures. Just as time travel allows us to traverse our universe's timeline, the concept of parallel universes proposes the possibility of journeying from one universe to another, experiencing realities drastically different from our own. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Can be seen as a book in a library filled with infinite such books, each narrating a unique tale. The time travel and parallel universes are essentially two sides of the same coin, each representing a different method of exploring these cosmic tales. Welcome to this grand cosmic adventure where the thrilling world of time travel and parallel universes are waiting to be explored. When it comes to time travel, the idea is not as far-fetched as it may seem. The very concept of time travel stirs up our imagination, makes us dream about the endless possibilities of exploring the different eras of history, or even witness the future. As children, we have all been fascinated by the idea of time machines, thanks to the influence of popular culture. But could this fantastical notion actually transform into a reality someday? The theory of relativity, an astonishing scientific breakthrough proposed by one of the greatest minds humanity has ever known, Albert Einstein, paves the way for us to ponder over such a possibility. This theory was a revolutionary development, a sharp turn from the conventional understanding of time, and it introduced to us the idea that time is not fixed, but rather it is elastic. Einstein's theory suggests that time can stretch and squeeze, much like a rubber band, depending upon various factors. It is influenced by the speed at which you're moving and the strength gravitational field around you. This essentially means that time is not a constant entity flowing at a singular pace for everyone and everything, but rather it is a dynamic factor that varies based on the circumstances. Consider the speed of light, the ultimate limit in the universe, something nothing can surpass. Now let's imagine for a moment that you could travel at this unfathomable speed or close to it. According to Einstein's theory, this would have a significant impact on how you experience time. The faster you move, the slower the time passes for you. This is a phenomenon known as time dilation. In the same vein, the theory also mentions the influence of a gravitational field, specifically a strong one, like that surrounding a black hole. These cosmic monsters, known for their intense gravitational pull that not even light can escape, could theoretically also affect the passage of time. Due to the extreme gravity, if you were near a black hole, time would again slow down for you, in comparison to someone who is far away from such an intense gravitational field. To put it in perspective, if you could somehow manage to travel at near light speed or venture near a black hole, time would slow down for you compared to someone who remains on Earth. The time on your clock will tick slower than the one on Earth, thereby making the dream of time travel a potential reality. Although we are still far from achieving such a technological feat, the possibility is not entirely a scientific fiction. The understanding and exploration of such concepts may in the future pave the way for us to bend time to our will. So when it comes to time travel, the idea is not as far-fetched as it may seem. On the other hand, the concept of parallel universes is a bit more speculative. This intriguing theory, often the subject of countless science fiction novels and blockbuster movies, is not as far-fetched as you might believe. In fact, it has its roots deeply embedded in scientific thought. At the core of this concept is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, a proposition that forever changed our understanding of the universe. This astounding interpretation was proposed by an American physicist named Hugh Everett III in the mid-20th century. Everett, a brilliant yet underappreciated thinker of his time, took the world of science by storm with his revolutionary ideas. His work on quantum mechanics, a fundamental theory in physics, transformed how we perceive the reality of our universe. According to Everett's theory, popularly known as the many worlds interpretation, all potential alternate histories and futures exist in unison. This groundbreaking idea fundamentally argues that our reality is not singular, but one of the infinite realities that simultaneously exist. Imagine a sea of realities, each one distinctly different, yet equally real. Each one represents an alternate history or future, branching out from every decisive moment, every chance event, every single quantum occurrence. In simpler terms, every time a quantum event happens, such as the measurement of a particle's position, the universe doesn't just follow one course of causality. Instead, it splits into multiple realities, each representing a different outcome of that event. It's as if our reality is a constantly branching tree, with each branch representing a different universe. While theory might sound like the plot of a science fiction novel, it's an actual scientific interpretation that has been seriously considered, debated, and scrutinized by physicists worldwide. It challenges our perception of reality, asking us to entertain the idea that there's not just one reality but many, each created by each quantum event. The concept of parallel universes still remains speculative, but it undeniably sparks our curiosity, urging us to reconsider our understanding of reality. Every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into multiple universes. However, it's important to note that these concepts remain largely theoretical. As we delve into the rabbit hole of theoretical physics, we find ourselves at the heart of some of the most fascinating conundrums that have ever been conceived. When we talk about time travel, we are discussing the concept of moving between different points in time in a manner akin to moving between different points in space. It is an idea that has fascinated humanity for countless generations, sparking the fire of countless works, science fiction. It's a concept that feels wonderfully magical, but its roots lie not in fantasy, but in the realm of science. Proposed by the brilliant mind of Albert Einstein, the theory of relativity serves as the bedrock for the concept of time travel. This theory proposes that space and time are intertwined into a fabric known as space-time. Imagine a vast cosmic quilt, with each stitch representing a different point in time and space. In theory, if you could fold this quilt in such a way that 2 points touch, you could create a wormhole, a theoretical bridge between 2 moments in time. On the other hand, we have the concept of parallel universes. This concept entertains the idea that our universe may not be the only one. Instead, it could be just one in an infinite collection of universes, each with its unique set of laws and histories. This idea is supported by the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every decision or event could create a new, separate universe. Despite the enticing allure of these theories, they remain infamously elusive to prove. As of now, they are largely confined to the of theoretical physics, abstract mathematical models, and the imaginative worlds of science fiction. Yet, their existence cannot be definitively ruled out. They provide intriguing avenues for thought experiments, pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand. In summary, these theoretical concepts serve as food for thought and fuel for imagination. They invite us to question our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So the next time you find yourself daydreaming about zipping through time or venturing into an alternate reality, remember, you're not just indulging in fantasy. You're exploring the outermost frontiers of human understanding, delving into some of the most profound and puzzling questions that have ever stirred the human imagination.